This is the video for Module 71, Electrical Services. Electrical services in Harbours are made up of different elements: lighting systems, power outlets, power cables, and distribution panels and meters. For safety reasons, and as a service to their clients, Small Craft Harbours endeavors to provide adequate lighting at all Class A and B harbours, and at most Class C harbours. The types of lighting and levels of illumination depend on the facility use. For power outlets, most harbours provide a 120 and/or 240 volt service. Larger facilities may have a three-phase power supply that can provide higher voltages for special applications. All power cables and wiring on fixed and floating structures are required to be weatherproof, waterproof, and otherwise suitable for outdoor and hard usage. Cables for fixed structures are generally enclosed in a rigid metal or PVC conduit. Conduits may also be located below the deck level and away from possible mechanical damage. Distribution panels and meters are generally located on the shore, adjacent to the wharf approach. Circuit breakers or fuses are installed on all main power supply lines and at all intermediate power panels. Private electrical services remain the responsibility of the owner of the service. The owner of the services must arrange for each service to be re-inspected at the beginning of each operating season, with certificates of compliance to be provided to the Small Craft Harbours office. The Harbour Authority should advise the owner of this requirement. Damage and deterioration to electrical services may be caused by vehicular traffic and loading, vessel impacts, improper use by the user, inadequate extension cords, and the corrosion of boxes and conduits. This photo shows a wire casing and weather shield that are damaged by impact. This photo shows a burned power outlet receptacle. Here, the receptacle box and outlet are missing. There is also an exposed supply wire. Here, there is an exposed connection between the two power cables. In this photo, mechanical damage to the conduit has left the cable exposed. Further damage will occur. The junction box and conduits are exposed to possible mechanical damage. Here, there is corrosion on the meter box. There is also possible water leakage into the box. The following is a list of components that should be inspected during operational visual inspections of electrical services, and the possible damages to look for during the inspections. Check the light fixtures and the condition of the life of the bulb. Check to see if the light is not producing adequate illumination. Check the light standard or pedestal. Look for mechanical damage to light standards or pedestals, or look for damage to the lighting system or electrical connections. Check to see if there is electrical power at the power outlet. Check the power outlets for overheating or burning. Also check the main control panel, the distribution panel, wiring, meters, boxes, outlets, electrical supply lines. Also look out for corrosion or leakage. If a problem is found, the following actions should be taken. You should reset the circuit breaker. Try to replace the bulb with a new one. In the case of other electrical problems, call in a qualified electrician to address the problem. Notify Small Craft Harbours. Identify, photograph, and map the problem. If the problem affects safe operation, close and barricade the section. If there is any damage to the electrical system, switch off the electricity at the breaker. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbour. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 71, Electrical Services. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.